Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 86. Workout is done. It was a great workout. It's like 68 degrees, which is just about perfect. Got my 7-mile bike ride in, and now I've got to get to work. I got lots to do, man. I have a whole list of stuff that I need to start checking off and getting done, and we're like 2 weeks out from Daytona. So Daytona kind of kicks it off. We start to get really busy, you know, after Daytona and with our travels and all. So we got a lot to do in a short time. So I guess I better get in, get my coffee because I've earned it, and get to work. So we'll see you in a few. Hi guys, what a day. I meant to have this video shot before now, but it has been crazy insane. It's Tuesday. Tuesday is the day we have meetings within the office to talk about sponsorships, and then Angie and I had a crazy idea. If you guys have ever like owned a business, like it's an ever-changing landscape, right? So you're always trying to improve, to offer more, to be better, and so that was kind of how this morning started. I was like, hey honey, what if we did this? And then we went down the rabbit hole of what if we did this. And I think we're ending up doing it, but that's not how we planned on spending the day. So that took like this huge chunk of our day away trying to figure out the new plan. So we didn't get all the stuff that we normally do during the day and that we needed to get done. And we were literally just eating dinner, and Angie's like, well, I'm going to work out with Neve, and then I'm going to work the rest of the night. And then I was like, well, you know, at 8 o'clock, we have our content creators monetization for Facebook live. And she's like, oh, no, I didn't think of that. So, so now she's like, all right, when am I going to get everything done? We're out of time. And you know, we got all this stuff to do. Now me, I'm a little more easygoing. I'm just like, all right, it'll still be there tomorrow. If there's something that has to be done tonight, get it done tonight. Otherwise, everything will be there tomorrow. And you can just make your list. You can start checking it off, and bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. So hopefully she does that. Anyway, on to other things that happened today. So we had a couple care packages that we were getting over to Thomas right out. If you guys saw my video yesterday, he's the guy that's in hospice in Springfield, Missouri, and a bunch of guys from Lake of the Ozarks rode to see him on Sunday. And then we got a hold of actually my sister, one of my other sisters, Jackie, and she has a business that runs errands for people. And so we paid her to run errands for us, and we sent him a care package. So hopefully, you know, anything we can do to make things more comfortable, giving more things to do, right? Keep his mind off of stuff. So we sent him over some things. Thanks, Jackie, for helping us with that. We are super excited. He messaged Angie and said he got it. So, yay. Hopefully that, like I said, it's not much, but, you know, hopefully it helps. It's the thought that counts, right? So anyway, we thought about it. We did it. Hopefully it helps. Our thoughts and prayers are with you, Thomas. So in about, I don't know, hour and a half, I'm going to go live on Support Bikers Content Creators Facebook page, Facebook group, sorry. And it'll also be on our YouTube channel on Support Bikers Content Creators. But it's only live on the YouTube channel while we're live. Then it goes to private. The only place to watch the video later about Facebook monetization is in our group, Support Bikers Content Creators. And that is a place, if you create content, for you to go and talk to other people that create content and share tips and tricks and bitch and complain. So everybody that understands what you're going through is in that group, and maybe they can offer some advice or just be that shoulder to complain to. So you can go in there and watch the replays of it, but the live you can watch tonight. We'll be live talking about Facebook monetization. Last one, like a couple weeks ago, yeah, 2 weeks ago was about YouTube monetization. So tonight's about Facebook monetization. And then I think it's like 3 weeks from now, maybe 4 weeks. I'll have to look it up. I think it's 3 weeks. We'll be back on again with another live, and it will be about like sponsorships and stuff like that. There are so many ways to make money today with the internet. You just have to decide how you want to do it and then make it happen. So that's a whole thing on sponsorships. Tonight's all about like in-stream ads, subscriptions, stars, reels bonuses, stuff like that. And then the next one will be on sponsorships. And it's normally every 2 weeks, but 2 weeks from today we'll be in Daytona. So we can't really do it 2 weeks from today. So that's why it's pushed out like 3 weeks. But anyhow, I'm going to go do that. I'm going to get this edited and hopefully up so that I don't have to mess with it after the video. And we will see you tomorrow. Have a good day, guys. Alright guys, so I got like 45 minutes till my live, so I'm still breaking silver in. I think it's time for a quick ride, and then we'll be back in time to do the video. So I'm going to hop on silver, take a ride. We'll see you in a few. 35 minutes to my video. I got a ride in. It was worth every second. Now I'm ready to do a Facebook Live and talk about Facebook monetization. Facebook monetization. Let's go. It's over, guys. There's all of our live people going goodbye. And I'm going to wrap up my daily vlog for today. So there's Toby, Mama Badger, who's in the other room, keeps freezing up. And that's a wrap, guys. It's what, like 9:30? I guess I better get busy editing this or I'm going to be up till midnight again. So we will see you tomorrow.